In this video, I'll walk you through how to use and pay with your RBC debit card, whether you're shopping in-store, online, or withdrawing cash. First, when you get your RBC debit card in the mail, make sure to activate it. You can do that by signing the back of the card and using the RBC mobile app. Just tap Card Services and follow the steps. Now, if you're shopping in-store, simply tap your card on the contactless reader if it has the wave symbol. If not, insert or swipe your card and enter your PIN when prompted. When paying online, just enter your card details at checkout. The 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV code found on the back. Most sites also support Apple Pay or Google Pay, which you can set up in the RBC app for faster, secure payments. To withdraw cash, go to any RBC or partner ATM, insert your card, enter your PIN, and select how much you want to withdraw. And that's it. Using your RBC debit card is simple and safe. Just remember to keep your PIN private and monitor your account for any unusual activity. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy banking tips. See you next time.